The next letter is Kaf, Alif. Again, I am repeating, when two or more letters join together in writing, they form Murakab. And how you found Murakab letters? When two or more letters are joined together in writing, their shape gets changed a little. For example, usually the head of the letter is written and the body is omitted. So we identify the letters which are the same one in the compound form by the difference in the numbers and position of the letters. So this is Kaf, this is Alif. Kaf is joined with Alif, and we read compound letters separately. For example, Kaf, Alif. Then this is the combination of three letters: Ba, Kaf, Ta, Ba, Kaf, Ta. Ta we read from the roots of upper front teeth. Ba we read from the wet part of our lips. Then this is Ta, Kaf, Sa. This is also Kaf. Ta, Kaf, Sa. The thin calf. Ba by the wet part of both lips. Ta. Touch your tongue to the roots of your upper front teeth and read ta. Sa. We read very softly by the edges of upper two front teeth. Noon. Noon is pronounced from the roots of upper four front teeth. Ya. Ba. Alif. Ba is joined with Alif. Noon, Alif. Ba contain a dot below it and Noon contain a dot upper side. Noon, Alif. Ta, Alif. Ta contain two dots on it. Ta, Alif by the roots of your upper front teeth. Ya, Alif. Ya contain two dots below it. Ya, Alif. Sa, Alif. This is Sa and this is the head of the Sa. Sa, Alif. Read very softly without whistle sound. This is not Sa. This is Sa, Alif. Ba, Sin, Ya, Sin.